Hi y'all, my name is Dr. Eze Nnamdi from Amazing Physiotherapy. I want to talk about knee pain. Knee pain has become increasingly common and it cut across all age, either from being a child or being an adult. Most of the time, we see people who complain of this condition and they find it difficult to understand exactly what led to their complaints. I want to talk about 5 neglected causes of knee pain. Most of these causes of knee pain are actually our lifestyle behavior. Human beings have modified the way they do quite a lot of things, and in the long term, it's causing some muscle pains and joint problems. The first thing I would like to talk to you about is sitting. Now, most of the time, the concept of good sitting posture cannot be overemphasized, and we've seen quite a lot of people with awkward movements and awkward sitting positions. When you sit in a manner that puts excessive pressure around your knee joint, you might ultimately come up with a knee pain sooner or later. The next thing I want to share with you on the second neglected cause of knee pain are people doing heavy physical work or in a heavy physical activity industry. It is advisable that you observe some work ergonomics, some activity pacing, so you don't overstress a particular part of your body if you are found working in such an environment. It's also very important to lift in a particular angle so you don't put excessive pressure around your knee. The third thing I would like to share with you guys is our footwear. Most of the time we get on quite a lot of fancy footwears that might be giving us a lot of problems around our knee. For example, you might be on an excessively high heel shoe or a shoe that has missed quite some level of alignment. That can put excessive pressure either inwards or outwards around your knee, and you develop symptoms of knee pain, muscle strain, and even joint problems sooner or later. The next thing I would like to share with you is it's possible that your knee pain might be from somewhere else. We've had people who had issues with the ankle pain or even a back pain or hip pain that have left it untreated, and that has actually led to a lot of compensatory movement. You move in a manner, in an unnatural position, and that will ultimately put a lot of pressure around your knee, thereby causing lots of joint changes, movement becomes distorted, and you might come down with knee pain. So the last thing I would like to talk to you about is trauma. Trauma has become a significant impact on when we develop some level of knee pain or even arthritis in the future. And it's very possible for a lot of people involved in physical work, like in the game industry, football, or even sports. Frequent falls or injury around the knee might even lead to a long-term condition we call traumatic osteoarthritis. I would like to also share with you some simple exercises that you can do to alleviate the symptoms or even make your knee stronger so you can continue to walk up the stairs without feeling any knee pain or even tension or muscle weakness around the area. The first exercise I would like to talk to you about is the quads strengthening. Quad strengthening are very important because these are the group of muscles that actually line the front of your knee in the upper thigh. When you look at your quads, it's important to always strengthen them so that they hold the knee joint and make it impossible for actually them crushing around each other, because that's what will cause you pain in the future. In strengthening the quads, it's important to realize that the quads are the group of muscles surrounding your upper thigh, and these muscles are the muscles that surround your knee also, and they hold the bones and prevent such close movement or even the reduction in the joint space that might lead to pain in the future. So the simple exercise on strengthening the quads are what we call the quad sets. In doing some quad sets, you just put your hands at the back of your knee, try to apply pressure. You hold for a couple of seconds, let's say 10 to 15 seconds for a start. You do that up to 3, 4, 5, 6 times, you should get a significant relief. The next important exercise I would like to share with you is range of motion exercise. Range of motion exercises are important in the event of knee pain, because you might wake up in the morning with some level of stiffness that might ease off as you continue your day. In doing some range of motion exercises around the knee, it's just how do you roll your knee so that it gets to the knee moves beyond beyond the pain point that you are actually experiencing at the moment, moving your joint to its natural end range position. That should be very important in helping you relieve your knee pain. The next thing I would like to share with you is the basic stretch. When working on the knee or in an event of knee pain, it's important to realize that some muscles might get tight and build up tension around the knee. You have quite a lot of muscles surrounding that area. We always advise that we stretch the quads. The quads and also the calf. In stretching the calf, you might extend your leg in this manner, hold, bring your toe towards you, then hold to increase the level of pressure and stretch in your lower part of in the back of your quads. That should give you the much needed relief. We usually recommend that you do these exercises with long-term consistency rather than short-term intensity. If you like my video, comment below, hit the thumbs up button, share this video to your friends and family, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, make it a great day. Thank you for your time.